Okay, here is my first favorite item. This is a book bag purse that you can carry on your shoulders or your back. I absolutely adore this purse. For number one, it is not too large. It doesn't look like you're carrying a large book bag on your back. And I didn't want that. I was looking for a book bag purse that didn't look like a book bag. This is such a cute, adorable purse. It's not too large and it's not too small. Now, if you're the type of lady that likes to carry everything, including the kitchen sink, in your purse, this isn't the purse for you. This purse is large enough to carry your, I'm going to try to unzip it here. It is large enough to carry your wallet, your makeup case, and it's very roomy. It has several compartments in here. I've already pre-unzipped so that I can show you the compartments. Here is one compartment. Here is another compartment, and on this side of the purse, you see two openings. You can put your keys in there. Here's another compartment, same thing. You can put your keys in there as well, or an ID, or whatever it is you choose to put. I like the outside here. It's a zipper. You can keep, if you are a high school student or college student, you can keep your ID here in this compartment. It's very easy for you to reach and take out your ID. I like this flip here. It is magnetic, so it just opens fairly easy and it snaps back easy. Here's another zipper compartment. You can put whatever it is you choose to put in here. So I like that. And let me turn it around. There's another zipper here on the outside. I keep my cell phone in this part of the purse. You have a handle strap if you don't want to strap it around your shoulder or your back. Here's a nice little handle that you can carry it. And here are the straps to put on your back. I like this. You can zip it closed and just wear it strapped over your shoulders. I can't demonstrate it on me because I'm here by myself and I'm trying to video this vlog and showing you a few of my favorites right now. And my husband isn't here to hold the camera for me, and I don't feel like setting up the tripod. So yeah, so this purse is really cute, not too small and not too large. So if you are looking for a backpack purse that looks like a purse and not as if you're going to school with books in your purse, this is the perfect purse for you. The second thing I absolutely adore are these handy, sturdy, medium stack basket. It comes with 6 inside. You get 6 containers, and you can use them for your kitchen. You can you can store your cleaning supplies for your bathroom as well as your kitchen. They're large enough to put in your bathroom closet with towels, shampoo, or whatever it is that you would like. But I purchased the containers to store my Etsy supplies in my Etsy closet. I will have a video showing before and after my Etsy closet, a makeover. And here I've already put some of my bottles for my pure nettle oil that's out on Etsy. They're great baskets. They're very strong and sturdy and a super nice size. They're very deep and roomy. Okay, here is another favorite of mine. They are thank you cards. You get 6 different designs on the thank you cards. You get 6 different designs. You get 120 quality craft thank you cards. It comes with envelopes as well as sticker closers. And here are the sticker closer on top. Oops, got it upside down. Yeah. So you seal your envelope, your thank you envelopes with the stickers. Here is one of the cards. I love these cards. They're very strong. They're not flimsy. They don't bend easy. And I like the cardboard. So yeah, I like to hand write my thank you to all my buyers. So this is what it looks like inside, how you would get it. You get 120 envelopes, 120 different thank you cards in different different designs. So they are great cards to give as a thank you to your guests. If you are getting married and you want to save money on ordering thank you cards along with your invitations, this would make a great purchase to say thank you to all of your guests. And if you have a small business, as I do, you want to thank your customers. The cards are great. They're very reasonably priced, and I will link them down below as well. So yeah, beautiful thank you cards. Good morning. It is Sunday morning, and today I am going to just chill after a very busy weekend of packing dozens of orders that will ship tomorrow morning. To all of you that have placed an order with me on Etsy, your order will ship tomorrow, and I'm pretty sure, I am 100% sure that you will get a notification from Etsy that your products are on the way. Now, today, Sunday, is a chill day for me. I am just going to relax after, like I said, after working Friday and Saturday on straining my oils, making my pure nettle oil, which is a new product on Etsy today. It launched Friday. I put it on my Etsy shop this past Friday, and this is the bottle, what it looks like. It is 100% pure infused nettle oil. There is nothing else added to this oil. Nettle oil is packed with zinc, silica, magnesium, vitamins A, B, C, and K, zinc, iron, all the nutrients you need to stop hair loss, promote strong, healthy, growing hair. So this is available today on my Etsy shop. So check it out. So this ends my weekend vlog. I hope it was enjoyable. I'm sorry that it wasn't so eventful, but I stayed in the house all weekend and I worked on my products, packing orders, and keeping my customers happy. So I'll see you next weekend. And also, in regards to my pure nettle oil, I will have a demo video of my hair, putting it on my hair, showing you how I use it. I use it on clean hair. For me, I like to do a hot oil treatment on clean hair to remove all the dirt and gels and butters that I put on my hair. And I want to start off on a clean slate. I want my scalp clean and I want my hair clean so that I can reap all the benefits that this oil have to offer. So this completes my video, this weekend vlog 6. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if this is your first time tuning in, please subscribe. I would truly appreciate it. And also, to add to this video, that I will have a 5,000 subscriber giveaway video coming real soon. I'm just working out some things what I want to actually give away. So thank you and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye-bye.